Hey dropouts, I am Saurav. I am from the southernmost end of Bangladesh, Bangla Sundarban Union. From my region, I am probably the only student in this community because after my area, the Sundarbans forest begins. That alone shows how far the digital brand has reached, even to the last point of the south. I completed my honors and masters from Azam Khan Commerce College in Khulna, and now I have chosen video editing for my career because I want to build a strong creative future for myself. My biggest strengths are: first, I am extremely passionate. Second, I love learning new things deeply. And third, I am consistent. No matter how slow or hard things get, I always keep moving. Fourth, I carry a strong sense of responsibility because my goal is to support my family and build a stable career in the digital world. My expectation from this community is simple. I want guidance, structure, and a strong environment where I can grow into a powerful video editor. That's why I joined Digital Dropout community to learn, to practice, and to transform my skill step by step. Thanks to a Digital Dropout community for creating a space where someone like me from the far south of Bangladesh can dream bigger and work smarter. Thank you, Dropouts community.